Welcome back to the Organ Makers channel. Today we are going to make a chore board. This is super helpful for just general organization if you had kids who needed to get stuff done, and in this case it's living with a person with ADHD, and this is a good visual cue to what needs to be done. So we're cutting out vinyl on our Cricut maker, and we're going to be applying it to a wooden board. And then we're going to list the individual chores on clothespins. So stay tuned to the end of the video and we'll explain how the system works.
You want me to weed it?
Do you want to weed it?
I can weed it.
Do you want to weed it? You seem excited about the prospect.
So for the colors, you could do a color for each person in the family so then they know what chores they're responsible for. And just kind of come up with a system that you think will work good for you. So I put like 3/4 inch wood underneath the board to stand it off from the wall, and this is important and you'll see why.
Okay, so here is the chore board. We're hanging it here for now, at least to begin with. So obviously this is the board. So this is all vinyl cut. You watched that happen. We stuck it on here. It worked very well. And then I painted all these little paper clips. And you might have noticed I painted them... mint and melon. So they're mint on one side, melon on the other. And basically the melon side is going to be my side, the mint side is going to be Mike's side. So because I am an ADHD gremlin, I need a visual representation of what needs to be done around the house. But Bailey, you might be saying, doesn't the messy house provide enough of a visual representation? No, you obviously don't have ADHD. Those of you who do are like, ah, yes. So we're gonna do this. So this clip that I have is vacuum. It says vacuum on both sides. Let's say that we decide that on Thursday I need to vacuum. So vacuum will go melon side out on Thursday. And then we'll say that Mike is going to do the dishes on Friday. So mint side out, Friday, Mike. You can also see, cleverly, mine go on one side, Mike's go on the other. Yet another way for us to tell whose is whose. So I just grabbed a handful of these. I'm going to just stick them up here just so you can kind of get the idea. So, we have our chores for the week stuck on the board. There's more of them. I'm not sticking them all up there just yet. So let's say we get to Tuesday. Tuesday comes and we have Mike doing cat boxes and me cleaning the guest bathroom. So whenever I finally clean the guest bathroom, I get to come over here and take my little paper clip. I get to come over here and take my little clothespin and move it from Tuesday to the done section. And then I get a nice little hit of dopamine. So Mike will do the same thing. So he will go to the cat boxes, he will do the cat boxes, and then he can take his clip and move it down here. And when they're down here, it really doesn't matter what orientation they're in. We'll probably just clip them down here as they are. So yeah, as we go through the week, they'll all get moved down here, and then on Sunday, we'll come and all of the ones that have been moved here will come back and filter them through. So, yay! And it's in a nice little visual spot where I can see it from the couch. And that's how we made it.